Welcome back to Keish Money Vibes, right? A lot of you follow me doing the positive and personal development stuff. So today I also too want to get those money vibes up. So today's video is going to be on how to set your stop loss and take profit, right? Very, very great information, especially if you're already trading the Forex market, whether you're trading stocks on there, whether you're trading cryptocurrency, or you're trading indices, whether you're trading commodities, when you're trading just currencies, it doesn't matter. Just you definitely have to know how to set your take profit and stop loss. Because from one of my other videos, I'm gonna start uploading more videos like this. You know that a take profit is where you get your money at. That's where you set like, hey, this is where I want to get my money at. Boom. Your stop loss is like, hey, I don't want to risk any more in this amount. That's what your stop loss is. And then instead of you having to sit all day in front of a computer, you don't have to. Once you set up your trade, especially a pin and order, we'll go over that in more detail in another video. Once you set that up, you go about your day. You know, it's the whole point of when you're learning how to trade is not to be in front of the computer all day long because you need that time freedom, right? So you don't want to be working your job and then also too have to come home and stare at the charts. No, no, no. That's what pin and orders are for. That's what I'm going to show you first on how to set up your stop loss and your take profit. And if you haven't already, make sure you like this video. So one of the first things I use here is TradingView. TradingView.com. I'm gonna try to put it across the bottom of the screen, but that's TradingView.com. It's a free platform. They do have paid options as well. So if you want to set more alerts and different things like that, but I'll go over TradingView in a whole nother video. What I simply want to do is show you how to set the stop loss and take profit. So when you're on TradingView, you're logged in, you're looking at your chart. Let me clear this up some for you. That definitely went way past where it's supposed to go. So let me clear this up. Drawings. There we go. So say for instance, we're over here, right? One of the things that you're going to do is come over here on the left-hand side. The left-hand side, you got all these different things. You got your, say your tool, right? This is your toolbox over here on the left-hand side. So everything that you need, like I said, we'll go over in detail in another video. But one of the main things I want you to point out today is this little ruler. You see, you scroll over, it says measure, right? You see that? All you're gonna do is click on it. Once it turns blue, say for instance, you want to see where this point was up to here. Actually, let me put some horizontal lines in here for you all. So we can do more visual because I like it simple and I like visuals. So let's say we were, let's go right here, just put some random lines, random horizontal lines, right here, and say we wanted, once it got out of this zone here, we wanted to go up. Once it came back, retest it, we wanted to trade it up, right? So what the first thing we need to figure out is what is our take profit. Once you have this, all you're gonna do is come over, like I said, to left-hand side, click on the ruler, it's gonna turn blue. You come over here, wherever your starting point was. So your starting point was, let's say, over in here. This is your starting point. Just gonna click on it, and I'm gonna drag it up. So I want to do 30 pips. Pips is just how the market is measured, right? So I'm gonna go up. So I want to do 30. You see the number moving. See it says 20, 22, 24, 27. So it get up to say 30. Boom, right in there. Boom. So I'm like, okay, cool. That's my take profit. So I want to keep it on that. That's 106,422. I'm going to grab me a horizontal ray. That over here. I'm going to grab another horizontal line. All right, it's already on it. So all you're going to do is click right in here. Boom. I want to change that color. Move this over. If you want to change the color, anytime you do anything on here, all you're gonna see is this right here. So I'm gonna come up. It's your settings. Boom. Yours might be at the bottom. It might be somewhere over to the side. It all depends on how you have it set up. So I want to change that to green. That's my money, right? So I'll change that to that. So now I know that this area here is my take profit. All right, it's gonna put TP for take profit. I mean, hey, once it hit that area, go ahead and get me out the trade because boom, I made my money for that. All right, so once again, all I'm doing is grabbing this ruler. All right, say for instance, I was over in here. I wanted to get in here. This is my area. And I'm like, boom, I want to get 30 pips. You drag it up. See, it says 10, 15, 16, 27, 30. Boom. And that's it. So it's the same thing as well if you want to do your stop loss. So now come over here. I'm going to go to my entry area. My entry is over here in this white line, right? And I'm like, hey, I want to do 15 pips stop loss. Come down. You see it in here. Boom, you see it's moving. Start up here. See, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so get close to 15 as you can. My hand's a little shaky, so we're gonna leave it at 15.6. Boom, normally what I do, I grab another horizontal line, I bring it to where it needs to be, and I change the color to red. That's my stop loss. Boom. Red means stop, green means go. I keep it nice and simple. All right. And then there are, of course, the manual ways for your analytical viewers who like to just calculate it out yourself. There are those ways too. We're doing a video on that for this video because I like to keep things nice and simple. I like to utilize tools at all costs. I utilize my phone, my calculator. For one, I dislike math. Yes, I trade, but I just hate math. But it's so simple where it's tools, right? I'm pointing to it over here. It's on the screen. But once again, say for instance, you want to find your take profit. You're fine where you're getting in at. It was here, hypothetically. Click, go all the way up. Find ever, see the numbers moving, 51, 57, 70, 80. See all that? Boom. That should be a take profit area. If you want to find your stop loss, do the same thing. You're grabbing a ruler, make sure it's highlighted blue, or it might be another color because I just have my screen black. Come over to where you was getting in at. Boom. And you're just going to scroll it down to whatever you want to put it at. 66, 50. You see the numbers moving? Boom. And that's what you're going to log into your MetaTrader 4 app and put in those numbers. All right. So hopefully this video has provided you with some great information. The next video, I'll most likely go over how to actually utilize the MetaTrader 4. So this video might be a little more advanced, but all my other videos are on my other channel, but I'm going to start putting everything here as well. So as you're working on your mindset, right, you also get to work on them pockets, right? So some very, very powerful stuff. So working on the mind, working on the money. When you combine those two together, your life is just so just boundless, right? Like it's no limits at all, and you're able to help so many people. That's why I love doing this, because I'm able to not only help people mentally, but also help people just develop a larger bank account, like become your own economy. That's what it's all about. Not having to depend on anybody else. You get up and do what you want to do every day and just live your life how it's intended to be lived. So that's it. I'm not gonna go. I was about to go into the mindset part, but it's on other videos. So hopefully you found some value in this video. Make sure you click that thumbs up, like video, comment below something that you got out of here and what it is. What level of expertise are you in the trading? Are you beginner level? Are you intermediate, or are you advanced? Either way, I just want to know. So hope you have an awesome and powerful day. Also in the description of this video, there's different ways on how you can actually have me as your mentor, where I can help you through this process, right? And also give you access to my free Telegram group, as well as the free website to get you started on the fundamentals. So have an awesome, prosperous day, and I'll see you all on the next video. Dream cars, right? Because it got to be a dream, but you got to be able to touch it, man. You got to be able to feel it. You got to be able to smell it, because it's coming to you, whatever it is. So whatever it is that you're dreaming for and hoping for and wishing for, go out there and find it. Find the future of it. Not very many, unless you own Toshiba, LG, and those type of things, right? If not, your TV and that Netflix and Hulu or that cable is not making you money. It's better off. Look at this.
Yeah. You saw when it was in the middle line, you don't want to trade, right? You don't want to put in there because you don't know which one is going to go up or down. So you can go to another one.
How old are you, Travis?
14.
14?
Yep.
If anytime it's in the middle, I want to put buy or sell because you never know what's mixed. So a new thing that I call it in the middle, I call it a mystery buying. So in the middle, you don't know what about it. Yeah. Okay. So then basically, oh yeah. So they have like every time frame, like 15 minutes. I go between a minute.
Alright, so I got them. Let me share my screen. So I'm going to be showing both of you all. So you see my screen?